I'll just connect with Chandru.
Everything is set, Mr. Raju.
Yeah, everything is set.
Everything
All
is
the
set.
participants in.
Yeah, participants are joining
And they
in.
have started
Welcome.
joining up.
Yes.
Just as start about the.
Hello, my dear traders. Good morning and Sunday morning. The first session of this, the whole webinar is going to be about how to do a data analysis, FII data analysis, and also pro traders analysis. After this, first off and the second off is going to be the weekly analysis for index by Raju sir is going to take. And welcome all of you, my dear friends. Can you please type in good morning? So is it the screen is visible, voice is clear? Can you please confirm, my dear traders? I really appreciate Sunday morning you were coming and getting up early on Sunday morning. It is not an easy task, isn't it? It's a family time, relaxing time, the Monday to Friday, firefighting with bulls and bears, and coming on Sunday morning, it is always challenging. Good morning, good morning. Good. Video is clear, voice is clear. Okay, Mr. Satish is confirming. And let me, okay, everything is set in. Only we need to discuss some fruitful discussion has to happen. So, the ladies and gentlemen, my dear traders, welcome all of you. And I will ensure you will get a value for your time because you are spending your quality time and your personal time on Sunday morning. So, that is my responsibility to fulfill your expectations. Something you should get it that is giving a value addition to your trading and your trading decision making when you have to be a buyer or a seller. So that is what this session is all about. How these big boys are positioning themselves. Are they bullish? Are they bearish? So we know the chart reading, but along with that, so if a data, so FII data, that is option data and futures data is giving some hint, some clarity, along with a price action, will help us in making a decisive decision. So that is what is the agenda of this today's webinar. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Hopefully everybody is able to hear out. Yeah, in the so let's start. So many traders are joining. So and also let us make it a little interactive so that it is not going to be a boring webinar. So first of all, I would like to ask you, especially in the stock market, how the buying and selling take place, right? Generally, between the two parties, one is a retail traders, another is a institutions. I would like to ask you, who is right most of the time? Is it this retail trader is always right, or it is not going? Nobody is going to be always right most of the time. I know use the word most of the time. Is the institutions are going to be right most of the time, or a retail traders are going to be most of the time right? So can you please type in, my dear friends, experienced traders? and also new traders. You can also share your thought. Who is right most of the time? And also, I will put across like this: who is controlling the market? Is it a retail traders are controlling or institutions are controlling? Yes, chat box is rolling. Anusha is telling a retailers. Contra answer. Okay. So, my dear friends, the most of the time, institutions are controlling the market. Why? They have a biggest resource with them. What is that biggest resource? Who is going to tell me? The institutions always control in the market. In the IT industry, what is the biggest resource? Human resource, right? Manpower is the biggest resource in the IT sector. What is the biggest resource in the stock market? Who is going to answer? And yes, let me check who is the fastest finger, because I can read the slides. It is not going to be interesting, and also it is not going to be effective. If it
Data
is an
and
interactive,
information,
absolutely.
are the both which are most powerful aspects in stock market.
Okay, Raju sir is telling information is a more powerful, which is,
Information
I
as
mean,
well as data.
okay, Raju sir, I disagree with you. Anyhow, I'm going to. Okay, see, Raju sir is telling information and also important. What is that biggest resources in the stock market? Absolutely. Who is that fastest finger? Satish? Arsha? What an answer, my dear friends. What an answer. Yes, the money is the and fund or money is the biggest resource in stock market, and these big boys having that the big fund or a big capital, so that they can buy big quantities. They can push the market up and down according to their will and wish. Most of the time, not all the time. So because in the stock market, yes, the biggest resource is capital. So that is what the best traders in the world always been telling you. What is that? Protect your capital. And Warren Buffett always says, what is that? The first rule, don't lose the capital. And second rule, don't forget the first rule. Ladies and gentlemen, so who is telling one of the best trader come investor? See, that is what very, very important. No audio. Raju sir, am I audible? Some complaints are coming in here.
So you are audible.
Okay, thank you. And yes, absolutely. The money and the fund is the biggest capital, is the biggest resource in stock market, and these institutions will have that the resource, the much needed resource, so that they are able to control most of the time, and they are right most of the time. Retail traders, we don't have such resource, such big fund. We can't control the market, so that all we need to do is what all we need to do right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask you, if these guys are right most of the time, they are the ringmaster of the stock market, they can control, not all the time but most of the time, what as a retail traders, where we are the biggest losers most of the time, we are in the wrong side of the market, and what we need to do to make money in the market or to be right in the market, what we have to do it. So again, we are expecting answer from our pro traders who are attending a Sunday morning. Rohit, yeah, could you please check your you know instrument from your side only, because it is audible. Who is the fastest finger? Who is that? Satish Kumar, Amol. How institutions think, Veer Arun, Hare Baba. We have to think like institutions, act like institutions, then result also is going to be a fantastic and fabulous results also going to come, isn't it? What an answer. I really liked it. And please, Mr. Rohit, check from your side. Everything is okay from our side. All our audience are able to hear. And check your instruments there from your end. Absolutely. Discipline is very important. I'm going to show you even institutions also wrong. It is not that every time they are right. If every time they are right, that is going to be one-sided. Market is going to be one-sided. No, they are right most of the time, not all the time. But they manage their risk when they are wrong. So very important. Discipline is very important. Arsha is telling. Very nice. All we need to do is most of our audience and also traders given a right answer. That is, we need to follow the institutions, ladies and gentlemen. There is no other go to succeed the institutions. So in the price action, we need to, if we want to follow the institutions, we need to follow the demand and supply zones, isn't it? Along with that, we need to also follow the open interest data. We need to also follow the options data and futures data and also cash market data. If you follow that, and also along with that demand and supply analysis, if we do, that is a price action plus data, then our confidence level go to next level, and also our accuracy is also going to increase. Confidence and accuracy is also going to increase if you merge both open interest data and price action. Most of our audience already understood what is a demand and supply zones, what type of a demand and supply zones, so how to enter. There is an aggressive method, there is a conservative method, there is a confirmation method, there is a many methods of entering a demand and supply zones. There is no right method depending upon your trading style, right? So we are not going to discuss about a demand and supply zones. It's going to be a boring subject. But if you don't know and about the demand and supply zones, if you want to learn, and there is a we are going to provide you the link where you can register. Our executives will call and give you the information about the course details, how to, and so take up this demand and supply zone course. So now let's come to our agenda. So agenda is how to read FIIs are a bullish or bearish with the help of data. First of all, where we can access that data. Can you please tell me where can we access FII data very conveniently? Don't know? NSE official website, Veer Varun, excellent answer. Anything else? Because it is, we can access the data, but it is very difficult to read that data, isn't it? If a data is coming in an Excel or it is in the raw, simple, raw data, it is very difficult to read. Anything else? So most of our traders are telling NSE, Sensible, Scanex. What an answer. And yes, so you don't need to go anywhere in any other websites, ladies and gentlemen. If you are already a done member, there is a fantastic website. So that is FII, and data is available. So if you don't have a done and you can register for a done with a especially with the demand and supply zone course in this Scanex website, ladies and gentlemen, which is available. You need to go to this insights. Under insights, just go to the FII data. After the FII data, you need to select the segment. Select the segment and then select the participant. Is it you want to see the FII data, or you want to see the DIA data, or you want to see the pro data? The pro traders are they are not investors, they are traders. And so if you select a future data, automatically you will get a pro. Pro means a professional traders are a prop desk. They're the highly qualified traders, highly intelligent traders, and those guys are sitting in the prop desk and trading on the behalf of institutions. So these are the pro. So let us ask, okay, this is where you can access most important data. You don't need to and search for any other websites. Here it's a very easy to understand. And for example, cash market, what happened yesterday? Even cash market data also matters. Is it FII buying in this level? What is this level? So market is trading near all-time high and also happened to be a swing high, this swing high. So you can search, are they FIIs are buying in the cash market? How can I check? Select the cash market and then go for FIIs. What they have done yesterday on means Friday. They have sold 4,900 crores. What they've done? And they have sold 4,900 crores easily because they are not buyers at this levels, ladies and gentlemen. Clear? Clear. And this level. What else? Next. So we have to go to the futures data. Are they buying in the futures? So what are they doing? From 1,59,000 contracts they have shorted, and in the Friday they have increased 1,69,000, means almost 10,000 contracts they have shorted freshly. They are not interested in buying in this level. So this is a clear indication, ladies and gentlemen. And if you look at this, there continuously there is a rise in the open interest, especially their shorting. Their short positions are increasing day by day. So all we need to do is right now, we have to position ourselves as a retail traders. Is it a free? Yeah. Who's asking? Okay, Raju sir, it is free for done customers. Yes, people who are, if you are not a done customer, if you want to access the both the class, yeah, and you can. Link is available if you open an account with our referral link, and you will get a free access to the demand and supply zone course, how to read the data also. The structured course you are going to get, apart from that, this fantastic data, analytic website. So what is this FII, sir? Let us discuss yesterday data and then we'll go to the in-depth. Ladies and gentlemen, so they are shorted now. So very, very clear. And then let's go to the, and so options data. Let's go to the options data. I would like to ask you. See, there is a myth, what is a myth? Institutions always sell options. So many these option selling gurus have created a myth among the retail traders. Institutions are always sellers. That is a completely myth. You should not agree with that. And that is, what is that? A concept. You should not accept that concept. First of all, I would like to ask you what happened on Friday. So there is a, and just before, Thursday, 15,000 call options they are holding, and put options they are holding 2,20,000. And now, so the put positions increased from 2,20,000 to 2,66,000, around 46,000. There is an increment in the put options, and call options to 20,000. There is, so 15,000 to 20,000. There is around 5,000 change in the call options. I would like to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, right now, especially these are all the very, very important techniques as a pro traders, especially if you're a short-term positional trader. as well as an intraday trader, what is this FIIs are doing? So I would like to ask you, if you are bearish, what will you do? Will you buy put option or a call option? So quick answer I am expecting from in the chat box. Absolutely. Vishwa, okay. Mahadev, you are eligible. You can contact number we are going to give. Raju sir, can you please share the contact number?
Hello.
Yeah. So what contact number? Can you please share in the chat box?
Contact number
For everything, sir. Okay. Either you can share that. What is that? Google Sheet or that number which is available in the live stream. No, that you put it in the chat box.
Okay. I'll just share, sir.
As a retail traders, what will you do, my dear friends? Even institutions also, if they are bearish, they will buy put options or they will sell call options. So there is a only agenda. If market is bearish, either you should buy put options or you should sell call options. And yesterday they bought heavily put options. What does it mean? Either Monday or Tuesday in this contract, market is going to crash or market is going to be bearish. They want to encash all the put positions they bought. So hope you were able to understand. Very, very advanced concept, I'm telling you. Right? This is what happened on Friday. So let us check what is the pro traders are doing. Yeah, you can fill this form after opening an account, and our team is going to help you, my dear friends. Okay, now let's go to the what is happened in the pro trade with respect to pro traders, what they are doing. Let's go to the pro. So pro traders yesterday again they bought. So yes, how many call options, put options bought? You can click this open interest change. So you can see that activity what happened yesterday. And yesterday I would like to ask you, and pro traders have bought 1,30,000 put and 86,000 call options. What it is indicating? Is it indicating a bullish or bearish? Are they, the pro traders are bearish or bullish with respect? Just to look at the yesterday data or the overall data. If you look at the overall data, how many? 1,33,000 contracts put options and 19,000 call options they are holding. And these contracts are going to expire on Tuesday. Majority contracts are going to expire because Nifty expiry on Tuesday. Satish, Soumya ji, everybody is able to see the chat box and also bullish. Satish is telling bullish. It is not bullish. If you are a bullish, what will you do? You will buy put options or call option. Let me tell you one thing. Even if you pay 1 lakh rupees for a fees, all the option selling gurus in the world, indicator based selling gurus, you are not going to get this advanced concept. I'm telling you, you will remember for your life. how to read the FII data. You will remember for your life. If you're missing this class, you are going to be off trader. Throughout your life, you are going to be off trader because you don't know what big buys are doing. Always you are looking at a one indicator or a price action and thinking that market will go up. But if you don't sync both the data and price action, you are not going to be a complete trader. You are always an off trader. Gut feeling will come. Finally, you will not going to be a great trader or a professional trader. So that is a guarantee I'll give you. And people who are not focusing on this concept, so obviously very difficult. But you are lucky, and you are learning today Sunday morning by sparing your personal time for this learning. So very good, very good. Okay, bearish. Absolutely. My dear Satish, they bought a put options. They have not sold a put option. Put selling is a bullish. Call selling is a bearish. Put buying is a bullish. Sorry, bearish. Put selling is a bullish. So please understand this. I'll repeat again. Call selling, bearish. Put selling, bullish. Hope you were able to understand. There is a selling perspective. Buying, when the market is coming down, put buying. Put buying. Call buying if market is going up. That's all. Hope you were able to understand. If you're very new, so you can take up a class. So hope, okay, most of our traders are able to. Absolutely. Arun Krishnan understands. Understand. Okay, pro traders able to understand what is the the power of this knowledge. Yes. Okay, then we'll connect the dot with the price action. First, we are analyzing. So both FIIs and DIIs are bearish. Sir, what can I do tomorrow morning? So all you need to do is go to the chart and be ready for a bearish view. If market and Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, Monday morning, if they get rejected, and if the market creates a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, I will go and I'll go and short the market. I'll become bearish. If market creates, or so market opens and trading and suddenly market breaks the opening range downside. Market breaks down, opening a range downside. So very simple. What happens? I'll become a bearish. I'll become a more aggressive. Once market breaks the 25,900 downside, I will become a more bearish, because that is again they are entering at this level, because anyhow they are bearish, and this is an election short covery, election result short covery. But by this, and it is not change the data. This is just a intraday short covery. And when can I become a bullish? Is it FIs are always right? No, they can also become wrong. So when they become wrong, if market breaks 26,000, I will become bullish, because they will also square up their positions. They sell their positions. I will also become bullish if market decisively breaks 26,000. But I will watch I am preferring to short the market rather than buying, because technically it is a overbought level, and also data is also negative. FIs and pro traders are also negative. So that I prefer shorting the market in this level, provided if market shows the weakness. If market is not showing a weakness, then you should be very, very careful, because institutions also go wrong. There is no rule that always they should be right. No. So please understand, this is a concept, and I'm connecting with the and Monday example. Monday, what is likely going to happen? Okay, Sir Ramu, that is a yes, election short covery, my dear friend. Results short covery. Okay, is there any bull trap? Yes, it is. Looks like a bull trap, and see, Monday, this could be my expected price action, my dear friend. Okay, this or this could be. They can even trap 26,000, bullish traders, and then they may trap and give a bearish, momentum, bearish momentum. That's all. I'm ready for shorting the market on Monday. That is what is data is telling. So now, let us take some more examples. Some more example. So is it data is helping you? How it is helping? So I want a complete attention, all of you. So let me check what happened to the data here. How it worked, because it is also we identified trending days of these two trending days with the help of data. So first we need to check the date. Date. So date is a Wednesday, 15th October, right? 15th October. Let's go to the Scanex website. Under the Scanex website, you just go and October. So what is the date? October 15th. October 15th, what is happening? Let's check. So we need to go to the FIIs. And October 15th, we have to go. Yeah. Yeah, could you please tell me October 15th, the data was bullish or bearish? October 15th, the FII data, are they bullish or bearish? So 26,000 call bought, 32,000 put sold. Many people are asking questions. By reading the data, you should ask, chat box. The more interactive, you will remember forever. So you will not ask me also. You will go to the Scanex website, you will check the data, and next day morning, when they're going bearish, when they're going bullish, when they're going to be wrong, when they're going to be right, both we need to be positioned ourselves. Who is that fastest finger? Anusha? Absolutely. Satish, Manoj, Anusha, Arun. Absolutely, they are bullish. What happened to the next day? What happened next day? Tell me. Next day, market created, that is on 16th October, fantastic trending day. So that is the power of data, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I will give you another example. So let us check what happened in this red candle. So let's keep a red candle. Cursor, you keep it. What is the date? We are doing a back test. We are checking the scenarios when we got a big profits and trending days, when they are strongly bullish or bearish. On the 23rd of October, 23rd of October, ladies and gentlemen. So let us check what happened. Go to the Scanex website. You don't need any fancy websites. And 23rd October, right? Where is the 23rd October? No, 1 second. Is it? Yeah, 23rd October, you let me know. Yeah, can you please read it? Is it a data is bullish or bearish? Again, we are the case study number 2, pro traders. We are checking. We have checked, FIIs. Now we are checking a pro data, pro traders. Both are important. I'm keeping exactly 23rd. What happened? You should tell me. 48,000 calls sold. 62,000 contracts put bought. Who is the fastest finger? Manoj, Satish, Veer. Are you getting some insights? Bearish. Okay, let us check next day what happened. What happened to the next day? The ladies and gentlemen, you got an extremely good red candle. So what else you want? The FIS are bullish. I bought next day. It is not that the first candle itself you should buy. You should look at the price action and then the demand or a opening range breakout, and then you need to take a position. So it is not that just because of a data I will buy. No, I am going to show you the example where they are also wrong. It is not that always they are right. I will show you the example where they went terribly wrong, and it is an advantage for retail traders. And when they are wrong, that is what as a retail traders we need to identify when they are going wrong. When can I become a buyer, not seller? So that is what. So market created a fantastic red candle, right? So what happened in this candle? Let me show you that price action also. And yes, this candle, market created a trend. Okay. So not in this candle, I think. Yeah, this October 16th. Yeah. Market created a very decent trend. So either you can buy a demand zones or a consolidation breakouts, you can take a positions. You are very clear. FIS are bullish, I will also be bullish if price action is bullish. Price action is bullish, I become a bullish, I got a good profit. So what happened on the 23rd October? So, and pro traders are bearish, I will also bearish next day. So let me check what happened next day. The market created what a trending. This is we are able to capture, ladies and gentlemen. It is not I am telling you only in the hindsight. And today I am telling you these are all the trades we are initiated, including and Friday first off, and we predicted the day low. We got it, and this is what happened, ladies and gentlemen. These are all very very advanced concept, and market created a fantastic trending day. Next day, it's a bearish day. So hope you are able to understand this. So next, sir, you are showing very good, very good. Okay, Sachin is asking what happens if they are both are, I know, both are in a different direction. What are questions? I will take your questions. Can you, after this conclusion, I will take a questions related to and data. So till that time, just wait. Let me finish. So we have seen when they are right, what happens in the market. And let's check. They're also wrong and a few times, but they'll do a risk management. They will exit their positions. That is an advantage for retail traders. So let us check the data for one another day. So where they are wrong. So, ladies and gentlemen, can you please see this candle? So this is the candle. What is the time? 3rd October. 3rd October. You keep the cursor, 3rd October. What happened to the data? Let's go to the data. And where is the 3rd October? Oh, we need to go to, okay, 3rd October. Yeah. So can you please, by looking at the 3rd October data, what do you feel by looking at just a pro data? Are they bullish or bearish? Only third data. Absolutely bullish. And next day market created a fantastic trending day. This is another example. But in the same day, what happened to the FIIs? FIIs are not those, on 3rd October, FIIs are neutral. On 3rd October, FIIs are neutral. And also, if you look at overall data on the 3rd October, overall data also very important. Okay, overall data is almost 3 lakhs contracts are put. They bought it. 3 lakhs put, and market went up. So what does it mean? They're wrong. They squared up their positions. They exited and they might have shifted to next contract. So this is what happens. They are not right always. When they are wrong, that is an opportunity to go opposite direction. When they are right, so price action will tell you they are also bullish, you are also bullish. If FIS are wrong direction, it is giving you opportunity to go, opposite direction. Hope you were able to understand this, and you can do all this back test, important days. So what happens just before the, before this trending day? What happened to the data? Before this, what happened to this? And here FIs are bullish. What happened to the market? And what is important is you have to look at the levels also. Where is market is trading? Where is market is trading? Market is trading near the swing low. And the market is trading near the swing low. Even FIs will square up their positions. Why? They're shorting from here. They're shorting from here. They will square up their positions here. That is what they've done it. They close their positions. So now they're again initiating the short positions at this level. This level is not a great level for buying. They're shorting the market. I am waiting for an opportunity on Monday to short this market. If I get a engulfing candle, I am great. I'll be extremely happy if market throws and one a red candle here. If market, only I will be concerned if market breaks 26,000. I am not going to short until market shows weakness. So hope you are able to understand now. So any questions related to and FII data reading and pro traders data reading, and let me know, my dear friends. And then Raju sir is going to talk about technicality and probable targets for next week itself. Raju sir is going to help us. Red candle, it's a daily chart, my dear friend, daily chart. There is a couple of questions. We are going to take it right now. Either finished. See, when you have to overall price action, you should see if it is a supply zone. I will look at the data. If it is a bearish, I will go aggressively bearish. If a market is near the demand, and the market may witness the short recovery, so these guys will book a profit. So you should look at the data like this. Sir, market data is negative here. Don't give a weightage for that data, because if a market creates a positive bias, they will cover their positions. Very important. Very important. This is how you need to look at the data. Sir, bearish data, but FIS has squared up their positions because they're already in profit. They're shorting from here. Please understand. Okay, let's take another question. Okay, who's asking FIIs? Both you need to follow. FIIs also, pros also. See, sometimes now both are in the right direction. Sometimes they are in the opposite direction. And such in questions I will answer. If market is FIIs are bullish and pro traders are bearish. Okay. So how do you go? Are you going with the FIIs? Are you going with the pro traders? Who is going to answer this? Very good question. This happens many times. Pros are bullish, FIIs are bearish. Whom do you go with? And in case any questions misses, don't take it personally. We have tried to answer all the questions. Sachin, only pro FIIs data is fine. Absolutely, absolutely. Old data is confusing. Only pro and FI data is fine. Correct. Can you summarize the entire data reading process? Absolutely, Amia. I am going to do it. Any answer? In a trending market, sometimes no premium spike. Why, sir? Okay. So that is, again, it is not related to this. Certain time market gives a slow uptrend and downtrend, but no moves in the premiums. Veer, okay, you are again a technicality. Why premiums are not moving? I am going to answer that also. The question which I asked, nobody is answering. Are you able to understand? If pro traders are bullish, FIs are bearish, with whom would you go to? Will you go with the FIs or pro traders? I asked the question. So nobody is answering. This is what the market is not going to be obvious. 70% of the time they are opposite directions. FIs are bullish and pro traders are bearish. With whom you would like to go with? Pro trader or FIs? See, in that is the case. No. You should not go neither pro trader nor FIs. You have to go with a neither bull or bear. You have to go with right bull or right bear. You have to follow the price action, ladies and gentlemen. When the data is confusing, the data is in the opposite direction. FIs are long, pros are short. Just go with the price action. If a price action is creating a lower low formation, you just go and short the market. Don't look at the data. Whenever both are positive or both are negative, both are bearish, both are bullish, then you look at the price action, you go with it. But I'll tell you, sometimes they go terribly wrong. So that is the time you should be ready. If tomorrow market breaks now, I may go even long also. If market is holding, and if it gives a breakout now, and these guys will have a lot of pain. Very big capital they deployed on the shorting the market, and there could be a short recovery. There could be short coverage. I am also ready for that, but that probability is only 30%. 70% probability is this. I'm waiting for this. If it is not happening, I'll also go with this. That is what a trading is all about. It is not a bullish side or a bearish side. It is always, am I joining the right side of the market? That is important for traders. Am I bullish? Am I with the FIIs? Am I with the DIs? Yes, it is important. But when the data is confusing and, going with the right side is very, very important as a retail trader. So very good answer. Many of you told FIIs and also DIs, just go with a price action. Hope I answered. Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? We have another 10 minutes time. So then Raju sir is going to analyze all the index, including a mid cap, a Bank Nifty, Sensex, and Nifty. These 4 indices Raju sir is going to analyze and give you the hint about the next 1 week market. I'm talking about only data analysis with respect to demand and supply zones and this. Okay, Mr. Okay, the chart box is rolling so fast. One second. Yeah. So there is a very interesting question. Can I read the data in a seller's perspective or buyer's perspective? You should be neutral. And only you should know that. And because FIIs, there is a myth. No? What is that myth? Institutions always option sellers. That is a complete myth. They are aggressive buyers when the market is aggressive. They are decisive. They know that next 2 days market is going up and they will buy call options. If they are betting on the Gujarat, some example elections, leave about Bihar, next elections, and they want to build up bullish positions, they will buy aggressively call. If they want to bearish in the market, they will buy aggressively put. But you have to read both the way. Whether data is a call selling or a put buying, both you need to read. You have to be a neutral. Neither think like a option seller, option buyer. You think like a are they bullish or bearish? That is what you are concerned. Are they bullish or that? This is for Mr. Dutt. And what else next? Any other questions, ladies and gentlemen? For intraday, okay. Mahadev intraday, so which is already teaching every day, my dear friend. So no need to discuss today. And you just attend our live stream in the Trader Set live stream and analyze it. All you need to do is right click, go to the option chain, and then you can check whether and put selling is more or a call selling is more, or you can click this. This is a fantastic website again, and OI profile, and you will get this. And here also you can read it. Okay, here also you can read it whether a put rating is more or a call rating is more. When can I get a short coverage? The moment market breaks now lower high, what happened here? See, this data analysis will help you both the sides as a intraday trader. What happens here? Short coverage. What happens if it breaks? Long unwinding. See, this is the beauty, and hope I am able to answer Mr. Mahadev. Yes. And so conventional, okay, answered. By looking at the data, how can we differentiate whether the buying or selling? So that is what Rajkumar. See, you can go through the recording. Recording is going to available in this website, and just log in whenever required. You just go through it. Okay, Sachin. So See, by looking at the data itself, you'll understand, isn't it? November, whether they are option buyers or option sellers. See, look at this. On 13th November, they sold both call and put. Okay, in the 14th, what they've done? This is a change. This is the overall. Please understand, this is the overall data. This is a change in the OI. And that particular day, what happened? This is the overall. And this is call selling 67,000 contracts, puts is 2,800 contracts. This is a value number of the number of contracts, correct? Girish, it is number of contracts. Everything is got clear. Normally, I take a money in the money options buying based on the okay. So generally, I'm telling you at least two strikes in the money is always better for scalping. Scalping, it is a better. Can we predict a tomorrow gap up or a gap down? Ramo, let us check. Ramo is asking. That is, Raju sir will take care of it, and just let us check Gift Nifty. What is a Gift Nifty is indicating? Okay. Gift Nifty is a flat. Slightly. 1 second. Friday. After this big boom, is a slight positive. Okay, Gift Nifty is a slight, gap up. It is not significant gap up. Almost this is a closing area. Around 30-40 points, it is not a gap at all. In one candle, they will cover it. So this is not a significant. So price action is good to follow. Mr. Ramo, price action along with the data is a better combination, good combination. That's all. Anything related to, yes, I want, how many of you want a Scanex website access? Okay, do you have a Scanex? Yes or no? Can you please type in? We are going to guide you how to access this one of the fantastic website, including screeners, including you can find momentum stocks, whatnot, blasting momentum stocks, intraday volatile stocks, swing stocks, FNO swing stocks. In a one screener, everything is available, including FII data. So yeah, if you want, if you have, yes. If you don't have a no, you type it. How to access this fantastic website, including demand and supply zone course, including this website. It's an absolutely free, provided. If you are interested, you can type in, I am interested, I want this website. How to use it. That is what this webinar is all about, Girish. How to use a Scanex, how to read the data. So more videos you can contact us, we'll give you. And if you have, I have, you can. If you want, I want. So 2 words. If you have, I have. If you want, I want. If you, I want means we will give you the solution where you can access this website and also price action class. Okay, Girish is interested, Arun is interested. Okay. Amit ji wanted, Mahadev wanted already. Mahadev, you are already eligible. Veer Varun, Chitra ji want. Access it, my dear friends. This is one of the finest website for everything. Whether to find a momentum stock, whether you want to search FII data, you want to what not, bulk deals you want to check, you will get it. FI data, I want to access both the options data and cash chart, cash positions available. And I want to access the news of the companies, which is available. You don't need to go to a different website. And money control, I want a news, not required. Everything is available here. And including a stock news, including a results, including IPO news, what not, tell me. So this is a comprehensive website, ladies and gentlemen. In the case, if you want, I want, you type in, we are going to help you how to access this best class and best website. All you need to do is, and ladies and gentlemen, only if you're interested, and you can open the account. Today is a Sunday, and complete your process of opening an account. And after account opening, so you need to and send us a message and I have opened an account. We will give you the access today itself, and both the class access and this website access, you can do it, and you can explore all the opportunities. Okay, once the account opening is completed, you can access all the features of this website, and also you can access the complete demand and supply zone course. So hope you got it. So which number can we and contact? So that is also we are going to give you. So just a second. I have it done. How can I access? Arun? Okay. If you have it done, just type scanx.trade. You will get it. So if you are a done customer, nothing to worry. Just go and type a scanx in the Google. You will get it. So nothing to worry. Rajkumar, do you have a done account, my dear friend? See, only then customers can access a Scanx website. Very simple. It is a part of a done. It is not other third-party website. Please let me tell you. Girish, people who have a done account, not at all a problem, my dear friends. See, go to the done website. Yeah, go to the done website and go to the products where you can get the Scanx stock screen. You click and access the website, and same credential, same password, same. Otherwise, you can go and scan it. Okay, so nothing to worry, and it is a part of this, and it is a very comprehensive, platform. What not? You have everything. If you're algo trader, if you're option trader, if you're a scalper, solution is available for every sort of trader. But only thing is, would you like to explore? Then that is what you need to decide. So fine then. So right now time is up. Raju sir, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, sir, I am available.
Yeah. Can you please take over? Yeah. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Raju sir is going to talk about what is going to happen in the next week. All the indices he is going to, I know, talk about it.
Hi friends, good morning everyone. Happy Sunday to all of you. I'm going to share you the insights on how to plan your trades. Hope I'm audible to all of you. So let me start with the weekly market insights and analysis. And also I'm going to share some of the insights on the data as well. Let us discuss some of the points and the insights. So we have started the wave 3 advance until 25,750 is broken on the outright. I would be bullish on markets until 25,750 is broken. I am outright bullish on the markets. That is the higher top and higher bottom what we are seeing here. Similarly, a long range bar and the big candle has been formed in the Nifty. So a contrarian view, as the sir explained regarding the FII and DI data, but along with the data, for me, price action is supreme. And this is what has happened. Let me share you some of the short term wave counts. So these are the wave counts what we are seeing now. The wave 3 has started, and we are able to see the retracement of somewhere around 38.2, exactly near the golden ratio. The retracement has been done. So this is the base, and what we are seeing here, a corrective decline could have completed from this point of view. At least as of now, the corrective decline could have been completed. The more probability of completion of a corrective decline, the decline on the corrective side may have completed with the ending diagonal. The long retracement. See what it is. I'm going to share you the practical insights after this much of consolidation. From 14th November, whole consolidation has completed. Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 candles the consolidation. On the Friday session, we are seeing the 22 candles of consolidation. 22 candles of consolidation. See, this is the consolidation, and within a one single candle, in the last 30 minutes, the big bull has come up, and the big bull has shown us the reversal, the power of the strength of the candle. Until this candle strength is not broken, I am bullish on the charts. 22 candles of consolidation, one single candle has taken out that is the strength what the bulls have shown to close the day. So the strength of the markets are outright bullish. Overall, the impulse advance. Now the third wave may have started, but as Manor sir said, 26,020 above, I would be outright bullish for 26,233 as a target. If even if it rises and dips, even if it rises towards 25,982, 26,020 or 26,050 levels, and then we start falling, the retracement zone should be 25,830, 25,860, and 25,885. So 873 is one level, 885 I would hold as a threshold. So until 25,830 is broken, I would not think of shorting these markets. But my viewpoint is 25,800 to 25,750 is the overall positionally bullish as per the Elliott wave structure. I am taking a bottom up approach here. My watch strength is a bottom up approach. It's not a top down approach what I'm going to apply, bottom up approach. So from the shorter degree perspective, next week the trend seems to be positive. Overall structure, well, 26,000 100 105 is the resistance. It has to be taken out. 26,020 above I would turn bullish. What is this close? This is the highest close what we have seen. 26,053 54 levels, but 26,020 above I would be turning more bullish, outright bullish. But until this strength, I would be a buyer on dips and the reversal. There are certain methods what we apply. The corrective wave patterns is hinting this. So this is the simplistic wave count what I see, along with the price action and the candles. So I have negated all the waves now. Now the price basically has broken out of the first threshold, which is basically what we call it as 25 last 3 days candle high close has been broken out. 25,879 was a close that has to take out, and we have to start moving higher. And my strength would be about 25,960 and 26,020. I would be a buyer in this market. So until 25 750 to 720 is broken, I would be a buyer in this market. At least as of now, the previous candle has to be taken down. Based provided if the consolidation, time consolidation happens after a bull candle and the reversal starts, that would be my plan to take the entry on the Nifty. That is the short term Monday's analysis for the Nifty. Well, let us see the data analytics for the Nifty is well. So let us see the data analytics for the Nifty. Hope I am audible to all of you. I am clear to all of you. Oh, let us see the option chain analysis for the Nifty. What is happening with the Nifty now? First, let us get the idea where the more base is built. I would do the simple basing analysis on the option chain data. So 25,700 is what we are seeing, the where the maximum open interest is built. That is where the base has been built for the Nifty. Beyond Beyond that 25,700. The next base is built near 25,800 zones, where the next resistance zone is 25,900 and 28,000. Some strong base is built. Maybe there might be some consolidation on Monday, as the 26,000, the round figure mark, there is a strong base 26,000, 26,100, as well as 25,900. There is not much of a great sense of a built up what is seen, but I would see 26,000 to 26,100. The data shows even the change in open interest where the call rating has happened, maybe some consolidation over the Monday's period as the data hints. So I would watch the price behavior. As the price behavior here, it has been call writers are active near 26,000 and 26,100, and some part of it at 25,900. But if we cross the above zones, if we cross the above zones of basically, if we cross the above zones of 26,000, 26,020 and sustain, then the short covering would trigger a humongous rally of wave 3 is what we are expecting. What is the larger degree chart suggesting? See, even if we consolidate next week under 25,800, and then again one more leg towards 26,020 and 335 decline completes, the time consolidation correction completes, because this shows from 25 300 1 2 3 4 5. Then the next leg after a flag would resume the rally, but this seems to be an impulse rally. As I would see, this seems to be an impulse rally. Now the consolidation here matters. Degrees are different, 15 minutes and hourly chart, both are showing a different signs of behavior in these markets. Even this seems to be, for me, okay. So both the degree charts we are seeing. The shorter time frame also wave counts are showing for Nifty. So it is clear that wave 2 has been completed. Now wave 3 might start. This is the retracement. So 25,750 to 720 holds to be a very very big threshold for me. Dips I would be a buyer in, even if it's a corrective advance, or else if it is a impulse rise. So impulse rise in the sense, if the 5 wave starts, then 26,450 is the first short term target. In the positional basis, it will cross the fresh highs. So that is how we are visualizing the Nifty analysis for the forthcoming week. What about the Bank Nifty? See, Bank Nifty has been consolidating in a range. So basically, my viewpoint on the Bank Nifty is mixed. This is ABC, ABC. Else, it is, let us say, even if it is on a fifth, this is a ABC. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the consolidation. Then the next leg of rally. Once we cross 58,650, 58,600 levels, then the Bank Nifty would resume the rally. Until then, the what we need to do is wait and watch for the banks. The other sectors can start outperforming. Which of the sectors can outperform, we are going to discuss. Nifty is equivalent to Sensex, so sorry, 58,650 is a threshold. I am giving a 50 points buffer before, because it is a bank nifty. 58,650 to 58,700 crosses, then I would be outright bullish. 59,200 and 60,200 could be the targets. 58,300 and 58,100 becomes a very much important support for the bank nifty to act. 58,200, 58,300 and 58,100 are the important zones of confluence, which one needs to watch out for bank nifty to trade as of now. Even if it turns sideways, also other indexes can outperform. So this is the trend line what we are seeing, simple trend line for the bank nifty. So 58,300 and 58,100 has to be taken down, and 58,650, 700 has to be taken out on the upside. Let us define a range. Basically 58,300 to 58,100. Support for the bank nifty 58,650 to 700 is the resistance for the bank nifty. That is what we have defined a range for the bank nifty for the next week. Either way, breakout has to yield. If it is 335, then the correction has to trigger towards 57,600 or even 56,800, 57,600 to 57,400 zones in the bull case scenario. So that's the view on the bank nifty point. So watch out cautiously on how to act and plan your trades. Nifty, we are defining it again. 26,000, 26,020 has to be decisively taken out. So what would be the entry points? 27,856, 25,856 to 25,830 with the 25,790 as a stop for the nifty to trade. 25,750 to 750, 25,750 to 720 would be the important point. So 25,700 I would keep a stop for the longs. So that's the nifty and bank nifty view. Which of the sectors are doing good? I would prefer pharma. There might be consolidation some hourly basis, but we are seeing a resistance here. If we take out the 23,000 mark, 23,000, the magic number is taken out in the pharma is going to blast, my dear friends. Pharma is going to blast. 23,000 mark is taken out, pharma is going to blast and outperform. Apart from that, which of the indexes are bullish as per the charts for me? Mid cap nifty has broken out, my dear friends. Mid cap nifty has broken out above 13,556. All time high is broken out. The third is running, fifth of third, which can be the strong wave. Fifth of third is running until this zone of 13,600 is broken down. Mid cap nifty is bullish on the charts. Mid cap nifty is really extravagantly bullish on the charts. Consolidation may happen, but the rise is imminent in the mid cap nifty. One more leg towards 14,100 or 200 can be witnessed, at least in the mid cap nifty. So that is the viewpoint on the mid cap nifty. Mid cap nifty is bullish. Watch the mid cap stocks as well as pharma, which are the sectors what we like. Defense is quite strong. I'm going to share few of the stocks. Let us discuss few of the stocks, my dear friends, where the bullish tone is built up on the charts. Like a latent view is a chart where a bullish structure is built, a rally base rally is starting. 472 and 460 are the support zones. Any declines by the latent view, 492 above, oh, the stock can hit the zones of 517 and 555 levels, 555 levels, 555 levels can be seen in the latent view. Latent view is looking very good with a strong bullish candle on the weekly zone as well. Daily the momentum is gaining. The latent view is looking very good. Nika, some base is getting built. 265 above we sustain. Nika can hit 300 and 320 levels. Nika is very good on the charts. Watch out Nika, my dear friends. FSN Ventures. So PNB, Punjab National Bank, also we have done a consolidation range 118 to 124. 125 is the range. So once that range is taken out, 140 and 180 positional target is there. 140 is clearly on the cards for the Punjab National Bank. Adani Ports, the momentum is gaining on the upside. LIC is one stock which we like after the results and the momentum. So what we need to do with the LIC, 926.27 above it crosses, we are extravagantly outright bullish until 885 breaks. We are bullish on Life Insurance Corporation of India. United Spirits is after a rally, it's holding. It was almost near the gap, but what has happened? It is taking a base after the rally near the yellow line EMA, and then once it crosses 1450, 1460, 1600, 1700, 1800 levels can be seen. LIC is good. Adani Wilmar 282 above is very good on the charts. Apart from that, I would like to add one more stock, Torrent Power. So this is the stock which I like personally. If it crosses 1350, we are heading towards 1700 and 2000 plus levels. 1350, watch the levels with 1250 as a base. So here are a few of the stocks. I would like to add the disclaimer. These are the weekly picks, what we like on the buying side, and also the index analysis. Hope I have done with the selective index based stocks. So I would like to add one disclaimer. Stock market investments are subject to market risks. Please read the related documents carefully before trading or investing. Do consult your financial advisor. Registration with SEBI does not guarantee you any profits or returns. I am a SEBI Registered Research Analyst, Raju Angadi Vishwanath. Might be holding some of the positions in derivatives. I am a short-term trader as well. So that's a small brief and the disclaimer about me. This weekly analysis, hope the insights have helped you with the data points as well for you all. Hope all of you enjoyed the weekly analysis, and any queries, please put up. Me and Mr. Manohar sir both are on live. We can take up your queries, my dear friends. So we can open up for queries. Any queries, please feel free to share, ask.
Hello. So, dear traders, if you have any queries, we're going to answer. So, you can type in. We have a couple of minutes.
Like next 5 to 10 minutes, we can take up your queries. So, hope all of you enjoyed the weekly analysis. Any doubts on the charts and the stocks? Mr. Ramu is asking regarding IRIDA. Geo Financials also looking good. IRIDA, I'm going to do the analysis on IRIDA. So what's happening with the IRIDA? Here it has to cross these levels of 156, 157. The base is built near 146. 146 breaks, then it is bearish. So that's the view on IRIDA. Any other stock questions? Thanks, Arun. Thanks for the classes and take care. Nice day. Same. Wish you the same, Arun. Have a nice day, Mr. Arun Krishnan. Just a brief analysis and a small conceptual idea I have shared. And it was a great insight and information from Mr. Manohar sir, he has provided the data analytics in a beautiful and simplistic manner. Thank you, Soumya. Thanks for the compliments. Okay, Mr. Ramu is asking regarding Hindustan Zinc. Well, I don't have a clear picture on the Hindustan Zinc until 500 and 520 is crossed. The base is near 460 zones. So I would not take any call on the Hindustan Zinc. Mr. Prabhu setting up the charts in option trading, Mr. Manohar sir in his live session, he is the best person, and I have seen one of the best person who can give the setting up the chart entry and exit points in the live session. If you can attend and you can understand. Where you can attend the YouTube live, Mr. Manohar sir can update regarding the same. It's on the Traders at YouTube channel. We do the live analysis as of now. Then we would start the premium live trading room soon here with the webinars as well. It would be soon. So Trent, I don't believe. It's a good chart. I don't buy these kind of stocks where there is no liquidity and there is no momentum, and these kind of stocks are too dangerous to trade. Deep diamond, no analysis. Sorry. Trend, the charts are bullish. I am bearish. In fact, I am bearish on the charts. So, any more queries, my dear friends? Please feel free to ask. So deep diamond, I don't do those analysis where there is a circuit counters or illiquid counters. I don't do the analysis, Mr. Anil Kumar sir. Sorry about that. I don't do the analysis on those scripts where there is no liquidity. That's out of my scope. I am a technical analyst. Tata Elxsi, I don't have a clear view. Tata Elxsi support is near 5100 and resistance we have near this 5500. It's exactly in between. So no view. Ma'am Samruddhi, ma'am, what I mean to say, liquid and illiquid stocks. Liquid stocks are the one where there is a volumes. If there is no volumes or if it is not moving up in a so this one with volumes, then I would avoid the large cap and the small cap stocks. Usually there can be illiquid. So that is how the liquid and illiquid stocks are defined. Okay, some of them are asking regarding metal and infra. Metals are outright bullish, but there might be some consolidation in the metals. Even there can be some triangular formation or something. Whatever happens, the consolidation should not break below 10,100, and then there can be again a rise. So I am bullish on metals. It's a clear view. It's outright bullish on metals. Where about the infra index? Well, infra index is consolidating after a one third impulse rally. The next leg of rally would start soon. Once we break, and we should cross 10,000, 10,500, 9,700 has to cross. Well, M&M stock analysis been asked by Mr. Amol sir, M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. The stock is in a irregular flat. ABC, ABC. Now the decline where it stops is very big question. If 3640 breaks, then 3300 levels or 3200 levels can be seen. What about the larger degree picture? Well, I am not a outright bullish buyer until the highs of 3800 is crossed. I would not buy the Mahindra and Mahindra stock. That's my personal point of view. Okay, hopefully, guys, I have answered your queries. Next 4 minutes, Mr. Manohar Angadi sir would be answering. If you have any data analytics queries, if you have anything, please feel free to ask.
Hello. Yeah, any questions related to data analysis you can ask, ladies and gentlemen. We have a few more minutes.
I hope there are no more questions, my dear friends.
No more questions. Good to go. Thank you very much and wish you profitable trading.
We'll be back with the exciting topic and more
For
learning
sure,
in the
my
next
friend.
week.
And live stream is available in the Traders at live stream. And see, live is available here. So we'll give you the link also. Raju sir, can you please share and our YouTube channel page? YouTube channel page.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir. Okay, Mr. Anil Kumar, there is no safety in penny stocks. Obviously, you can trade. Sir, I am seeing this stock as a bullish bet, BTML, Bodhi 3 Multimedia. Yes, Mr. Arshavardhan, we would continue the live stream. Then also we would be starting soon the private live as well. That is our agenda to help the traders and the community of traders. Our main aim is to help the community of traders excel, grow. Let us grow together, learn, and prosper is our agenda to act upon. So that's it, my dear friends. Hope, sir, we can wind up with the session.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. And thank you very much, my dear traders, and wish you profitable trading Monday and 10 a.m. We are be there in the Traders at live stream, and we'll help you in the live market as well.